Should I make this video in English or in Arabic? I'm not sure. Anyway, we are live now. And the last week or the last 4 days, my work is horrible. I'm dragging my feet and I'm trying to code, but it is just too much overwhelming. So I'm trying to make a video and make it live so someone can come and show me up because I'm dragging my leg. Let me manage my second screen, put the time in the timer, see the chat. Should I? No, I will lower this page. Why do I have a desktop audio? Let's remove that. That's for the gaming. Recently, I started playing Dragon Warrior 1 and started to upload the videos. I'm going to upload a video every week. Trying to make my gaming channel alive to become some kind of marketing adding for my company, which is contain of many workers, only one sucker. So, what's the news? I haven't made a programming video for a while. I want to announce that I'm done with the game engine. Not done because I gave up, but done because I'm not going to focus on developing on it anymore than the game features, because I almost finished all the infrastructure for all the main systems that can make a game. So far, the only two systems that's missing that I would like to add and I know about is the balance system and the RNG system. A system that manage all kinds of random crap. Unfortunately, when I tried to start the RNG system, I couldn't start. It took me the whole day and I got only 3 lines of code. It's kind of embarrassing. It's kind of embarrassing. So, yesterday I was trying to start the whole thing, to start working on the prototype online. I mean, I tried to stream like now what I'm doing now, but once again I got the cold feet. And Monday Matt is live. Let's see. Let's compete with him and see how many people I will get and how many people he will get. Right. Excuse me. So the last week or Saturday, I tried to start working on the prototype to show off my engine goodies, and couldn't do a shit. I mean, I was just get overwhelmed. I get sluggish. I couldn't do anything. So I was like, let's write everything not on the task list, the usual task list that I deal with, because it will be a little bit messy. Let's just put everything on paper and see what do I need. And oh boy, this is just the scratch on the surface what I want to do for the prototype. I was like, okay, stop. Let's try to finish one part at a time and try to go from there. If you get overwhelmed in programming, break the problem down. And I need to follow my advice more and more. Unfortunately, even after breaking it down, I feel a little bit too overwhelmed. My grammar is so good today. I'm thinking to make this video in Arabic because the prototype is focusing on the Arabic players. That's why my game channel is Arabic. But I know that programming and game engine coding might be more appealing for non-Arabic programmers, unfortunately. So I believe there is a lot of indie people. I mean, more than people that care about gameplay. I don't know. I feel it should stay in English. So anyway, let's start and see what do I need. The first thing I need is to work on the main menu. So let's work on that, shall we? I'm going to take it one part at a time. One part at a time. Yeah, this stream will take like, as usual, 6 hours or something, hopefully. So this is the map simulator. I believe I made an entry in the game engine for the main menu somewhere, but I might not use it. The main menu could be... It's not here. What the hell? Weird. I remember I add something. I need to remove the whole map things. Maybe I didn't. So I need to add a map for the menu. It's kind of silly, but this is what we are going to do. So in the test map, we could remove all these suckers or keep them. Active map, false, assign controller to W1, place W1, great. I made a new tool. Let me add it to the code called Tag Builder. And one of the things that I need to work on is the Tag Builder while I'm working on the game. So Script Wizard. Tools, Tag Builder. All right. Do I need to rename this guy? No, no problem. I mean, who cares if it has a fancy name? Where should I place it? It should be Control M-O. Let me close the whole suckers. Oh boy. Yeah, the reason that I'm dragging my feet is so obvious that it's painful to say it. It's a lot of damn work. It's a lot of damn work. My game engine is so open that any feature that I need to add need to be added manually somehow. The thing is, the game engine now doesn't have a lot of general features for the game, so the first few games will be a havoc to make. I need to remake all these small little features, like a way to manage the assets, a way to darken the screen, a way to make lighting, all kinds of stupid effects. I already add create game, the tag builder in the game engine, but the thing is, yeah, we need to send the game core when we do this, and we might need to send the campaigns, I don't know, and I copied the empty line. So when I'm opening a script thing, We need to use the game core file, not the temporary one. So, alright. Oh, wait. Okay, let's run it. I'm just a lazy bastard. Load the game file. I'm going to steal the code. I'm already trying to run away from the whole work. Game engine brought up. I already have this page out there, dang it. Okay. So the tag builder is a way to help me to build the tags. Obviously. So why do we have groove, true and falses? Oh man, activating maps. Yeah. I'm not making this game for you guys. I'm making it for myself, obviously. I need to take a look on the tag function. So the tag function is a replacement for the script. It's a mechanism that I made for the scripts. And where game I? Why do I have game I? Oh man, for Control M. Oh. So here we initialize all the tags, all the script parsing if you say, but this is not a real parser. This is not even a parser, it's a trick to make the string into an actual code by using functions and actions. Like this one. So if you think being a programmer and make a game from scratch is a fun thing, this is a very good example that it's not. So here's the campaign thing. Unload map groups, unload map groups, and not only the campaign, it's not something only for the campaign thing. It seems it's a general function to that have the thing. So let's go to the general function or the shared function, and are you lost? Yes, I'm lost. Where is the initializer for these functions? Ah, here. So we have a place you see. So let's go to the map simulator. And let's open the tag builder. Where is it? I don't see it. Why? What the hell? What the hell? Why it's not up there with this? Nah. Just I hate it. Ah, it's in the folder called forum. Okay. I didn't add it here. Yeah, just move it. All right. Collection. Place unique creature. So I might, instead of working on you gotta be kidding me. Yep, I need to fill this sucker. So I might, instead of working on the prototype, I need to work on this because this is part of working on the prototype. I need to make making games easier, right? Right. So what am I going to do? What am I going to do is cancel the prototype and add the first task of today. Make a list of all tags builder you want to add, notepad. We can work on this. Refill the keywords for alt tags. So let's work on these two. So what we're going to do, we are going to remove the keywords. And I'm going to add the 3 strings to remember. So the first one is the caption type value. We need to remember the order, even though it will be obvious after I fill some of them. Oh boy, this is going to take forever. I already made some work, as you can see. Oh boy, I might start rethinking about what I'm going to do next in my life and decide to work on the prototype instead. Oh wait. Let's copy this too. So let's copy these 5. It will take forever. Tillyboard. Tribute add. Tribute checked add. Equip accessory. So almost anything that the player can interact with or the game need to interact with, like loading an object, loading something, activating something, should be able to express itself by using the tag system. And the tags consist of few variables, and it depends on the game engine, the game itself, the hard-coded part. It will do different things. Some of them are common to all the games and these functions live in the game engine. Some of them are special and unique to the game and they're living in the game project. The problem is, it's not a big problem, but I didn't add a way to specify in the map simulator these unique things in the game file. And I need to do that later. So if there's a game with, let's say, gravity, because it has gravity, not all games have gravity, it could fire specific tags related to the gravity. So the game map simulator is not aware of them. This guy only deal for now with the fixed one, that's general. I will add later on one page for the game itself, Wait, we already made the AP play sound, place. Did I? Yeah, play sound, yeah. So this one, I don't have any tag for, no, there is, for objects. So here, shared, AP, shared I function, shared objects, alright. Regions, do I have any? I don't think so. Nope. Are you sure? Oh, I see. I didn't empty them. Well, that's embarrassing. That's mean. Actually, this is not AB, this is general. And that's what I meant when I said the game engine is so open that it doesn't have a lot of features yet. Yeah, one of the features is making scripts for everything. As I said, this is not a real script, this is a tag system I made up from my ass. Next dialog, set group visibility. So this is MC. Let's take 2 of these. Oh man, dealing with scripts with the conversation system. Yeah, good luck. I made a lot of systems without testing them or making any kind of examples for them for the game engine, and yeah, I need to do all of them all at once. This is the price I am paying now, and that's why it's so overwhelming. I made the quest systems, all kinds of crap that deal with the quest systems. I made a conversation system. The whole campaign system is not tested. And I need to do a lot of crap everywhere. I need to stop complaining and start working, and that's what I need to do. So, let's try to wait, I add these guys already. Maybe I didn't add the game related one, which is a big no. Oh, this is a game related one, but that's why I didn't add it. Yeah. Alright. So, but in here I have activate maps. And assign controller. I don't see them here. Alright, what's going on? So is this a shared? And oh yes, it's considered a campaign crap, so it's in living in the campaign class. Me and my freaking organization sometimes. Hello. So we need to move these guys in the campaign. Yeah, one of the other things that screwed me up a little bit. Actually, I can't add spaces in here because but let me copy them in there. So this is campaign general, and we need 3 of them. And the select cases needed to have the one with spaces. But the values so this is a caption, this is a type. I'm not sure if the caption would be nice if I say in here, for example, load group, or if I say a keyword, just keyword, load and activate. So these just captions, not the real tag, just for helping. Even though for me as a programmer, I prefer to see these keywords, which I will. So let me take a look on these codes and try to build up the whole thing. So the load map groups required a name of the map groups, and 2 boolean if it is local and if it is encrypted. And I believe that's it. I need 3 values in addition to the sucker. And they are separated with spaces too. So and here we call, isn't group with B? My spelling is so embarrassing. No, it is with P. As I said, my spelling is so embarrassing. Group ID, and then is local, and then is encrypted. So these guys are string. Wait, no, I need to select the group ID, so I need to call it group ID. Oh. Usually it's local. So the group ID should be selected I need to lower the capture. I don't have group ID. Yeah, of course you don't. Campaign. Maps group ID. Maps group ID CP. I'm not sure if I already made a code for this. Nope, I didn't. That's why you're working, sucker. You need to finish the work. Alright. I might need to do it in here too, right? Yeah. Let's finish all of them. But this one, let's finish this part at least first. So when maps group ID, I will copy the names, good. If what is RT? I don't know. RT group ID. Then this one. Copying and pasting without thinking is very beautiful. Right? Alright. Maps group ID. So I need to steal the name of the combo box I just made. There you go. Yeah, playing Dragon Warrior 1 is way much easier than this, believe me. Do I need even to state that obvious that much? Alright. So we need to fill the campaigns with the campaigns. The problem is, I'm not sure if the campaigns are loaded inside the game file automatically. But the map simulator, I'm trying to make it load everything all the time because I might need them all the time, but we will see. So campaign CB2 items add CK key and campaign CP3 items add CK. Yeah, I wish if I was working like this fast the last 4 days. No, I could do like, I already done more than what I did the last 4 days. I already did in 30 minutes. It's just embarrassing. It's just unbelievably embarrassing. So let's try to see if this will work. So let's first edit the game file and see, because I might need to load these suckers. When I do tag builder, oh, it's already loaded the campaign. Good. So we could use the information from the campaigns. So here, if we go campaign, the game doesn't have objects, really? Did I delete everything? Did I start over one of the times? Or maybe I didn't fill them, did I? Item class, It must have items, doesn't it? Objects, rock, items, tons of them. Then why this is empty? Did I screw it up somewhere? Sigh. It does. Maybe I'm refilling the wrong combo boxes. Object class, item class. Yes. Object class. because we are dealing with the classes when we are dealing with these stuff, the game file things. When we deal with the map, then we deal with these suckers. So what we are going to do, when I select a campaign from here, it should refill the maps, and when I select the map, it should refill these suckers. So let's make all of these guys in here. So this one is related to this one. And let's move the code near the initialize because it's kind of related to it. Oh boy, oh boy. So when I select the campaign, the first thing I need to check is I'm selecting a real item, and this is a trick I learned through hardship and hard time and hard everything. Second of all, depends on the name. We need to load the campaign from the game file. String. It might be only a list of strings because, yeah, because only the activated maps get loaded inside the dictionary of the maps. I made this in mind, or I made this one in design because later on, if I want to make open world maps, huge maps, generated maps, I don't want to put everything in the memory. I'm trying to be careful in my designs. So I don't think we are using this one. I think we are using this one. We could still use string, or for each I mean. Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Campaign dictionary, campaign CV2, map list, map CB items add. So what's wrong with this code? I will give you 20 seconds while I'm drinking the coffee. Talking about imaginary viewers. What's wrong is I didn't clear the items in here, so it will duplicate every time I select one. Now we need to fill the these four, depends on the map selected. So one easy way is to say a map class I might need to load it from the memory. Let's check something. Let's check something. Yeah, I really want to shut down the stupid thing or run away and scream. I don't want to work. Yeah, you see, the maps are not loaded. They take a good space in memory, especially if you have a complicated game with huge maps. So I try to avoid loading the maps. So let's close let's close this and open it from the other side. Oh, I must load at least one map to get in here to avoid problems. Yeah, this thing's supposed to be opened more than once. So let's see. Yeah, I'm afraid I'm going to do a little bit ugly thing. I will load the map from the location. But I completely forgot how. Um, is it a new map class? It might be. Dang it. Yeah, it is using this. Alright. So I need to know if it's encrypted or not too. So we need temporarily give this thing the encryption flag. I usually like to load the classes first in the declaration, but in this case let's do this. Duo is encrypted. And the problem is every time I select a map from the combo box, it will load a new one. Why am I using directory? Don't I have a share function get current directory? And this one should be campaign2 cp, and this one should be map cp text. I need to replace this sucker with the share function, because the share function should deal with different devices. Don't tell me I removed that code. Yeah, I love my mess. It's messy in a very messy way. Do I have it in here? Yeah, get app bath. It is inside the stupid. Oh yeah, I done this because the map simulator is only on desktop. Silly me, I don't need a universal way to get the thing. This thing will stay in desktop. Sorry, Mac and Unix user and whatever. So the only thing left is to send the encrypted value in here. So this and here Hmm. Oh my god, I hate it when that happens. When I hang the code, sometimes the displayer doesn't work. And this is not a very valid way because I might load it decrypted, decrypted, not encrypted, and save it as encrypted, but anyway. I'm trying to see if this thing is ever loaded. I'm afraid not, doesn't it? Yeah. I need to update the value of this sucker. Wait, it does. Alright. Whatever. Now we can return here and load the objects from the maps. If you're following, if you're not, nobody blames you. For each key value pair, string, creature, objects, We don't deal with the unique creatures because this is a campaign related. CK and M creature dictionary, creature CB items, add CK key. So we need to do that with items and objects, and that's mean we need to empty them. Objects CB items and bags, I believe. Why the bags are separated? Aren't all bags considered items? What the hell? Let's go to the map class. Yeah, I believe all bags considered as items. No. Alright. Nope. They have their own dictionary. As references? Wow, you forgot how did you code your stupid thing? A very good programmer indeed. So we need 4 of these captchas and 1 of them for object, 1 of them for items, 1 of them for bags. And alright. Oh yeah, we forgot to load them from their respective dictionaries. Alright, the last one is this guy. And this guy should load the map groups and the unique creatures. Squirt, 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 squirt. Okay. Yeah, it's still a creature object, but he's a unique creature. The way how I can get the campaign is by stealing other guys' code. Unique creature CP or dictionary. Here we just need to add the U to make the magic Q. And here map group K, MGK. It almost sounds like MDK, but it's not. It's not. Map group ID CP And now we are happy. Oh, wait. Um, what is this again? It's a string and a list of strings. Alright. So if I open this sucker and say I want a tag that deals with loading a map group. Come on, why didn't it work? It's exactly what it. Wait. Maybe I forgot to add. No, I did. But the tag type is empty. Why? Yeah, stupid you, silly you. Freaking you. So we need to add all the suckers here. That will be fun. It's not magic. Everything have a reason in life. How do I add them? I'm afraid you need to double click all of them. I'm afraid your life is meaningless. I'm afraid. Your time is meaningless. And I'm afraid your code is meaningless. لا حبيبي لا تجرأ. Not the code. Oh man, I forgot to give them names. Does it matter? Oh man, I really forgot to give them names. In this case, it doesn't matter much, does it? I mean, all of them use the same code. I designed this crab with a crafty hand, with a precise design that yeah, sometimes religion people are boring or religious. Even though I shouldn't consider myself religious, I have some stuff that I don't do that considered part of importance in religion. I mean, I don't see myself going to mosques and read the Quran every day. But in the age of unbelievers and people that deny the existence of God, it seems like I'm religious to them, but I'm not. But I avoid saying jokes like, oh, even the God is jealous of, or lowering the God position and put it in a joke. It's just inappropriate. So sometimes, yeah, religious people are boring, which is fine. Why did I copy the parentheses? Well, I could copy the code. Toby. Didn't I told you, Toby? Wow, I'm sound like a drunk or something. And that's why you needed to name them, to avoid this crap, because this crap is annoying. Isn't that right, Toby? Okay. AB. So this is ABCB1. Rename ABCB1. Does it rename the tool for me? Yep. Region CP1. Toby, okay. You're having too much fun. You need to be careful. School life. Life of a programmer. Welcome everyone. Camera 35. Yeah. Let's finish all of them first. Then do the placement. At least I know what I need to do, unlike the stupid prototype, which I still didn't start working on. Well, this is considered part of it, because the prototype objective is to prove that the game engine works and make the engine ready to use to make games. And this tool will make my life freaking easier in making game, and instead of going and check the hard code how the stupid tag works so I can write the tag, this tool is managing the whole thing. So why the campaign is here? Get out, you annoys me. Camera CB1. You bore me, Toby. Camera CB1. Apply. Oh, I could use F2 to make the rename. Next is to shut down the timer. Effect is 36. Oh man, effect, really? I don't know, I have no idea. Do you see how my linguistic powers are increasing? Effects will take a very long time. I don't have an event tab. Silly you need an event tab, a quest tab. Silly you, R&D tab, campaign tab I already have. Yeah, these tabs are not enough. Sooner or later I need to add more fire. Combo 13. Yeah, one of the things I love about Visual Studio 2 is the utility it have. It have a lot of easy to use features, and they are beautiful. Campaign 14. It's funny that a lot the name is taken. Let's call it camp. It's funny that it seems Java have some kind of fandom. These people who have been raised with the console wars ideology. Oh, PlayStation's better than Xbox. Xbox is better than whatever. And because most universities teach Java, so there is some kind of Java fandom. When I used to program on LifeCode TV, from time to time one of these guys comes, so I'm a first-hand witness to this stupidity. And they come and make fun of C# and then try to be so edgy. Usually at the end I just ban them or block them or whatever. Combo box 7. So they say that C# is copycatting Java because when the C# came first, it has some features from Java that didn't exist in C++, including the garbage collector. And I'm not sure if Java invented the idea of the the garbage collector. But later on, C# actually took ideas from many languages, including its own languages, the Visual Basic 6. Later on, C# when it came off, it didn't have all that kind of features, and it's the most language that support the .NET platform. When the .NET platform start to evolve, they start to add crazy features, and Java start to copy from them, literally one by one. Every time the .NET platform or the .NET get updated and add more features, and C# support these features, immediately the next Java update have the same features. So why they are not talking about deals? Java is a powerful language. Even though some people say it's slow because it's hybrid and stuff, but still it's a very powerful language. It's one of the languages that started the idea of the cross-platform in that way. Yeah, Mono have a cross-platform, and I believe Mono and GNU are older than Java, but have you tried to work on Mono or GNU? Do you think the documentation and the ease of use is the same? It's horrible. So horrible. I shouldn't. Yeah, I should work. Combo box. I tried to 10, 11, 12. So object item, no, items first, which is weird. Oh, I can make it all capital. Item CB. Object CB. Oops. I tried when I took operation system class in the master degree. I tried to make a GUI for my operation system, and I almost done it, but the list box, the stupid list box, didn't work, and I didn't know why. Later on, I discovered the documentation that I'm taking from the official website for the GNU is not the same version in the same website that you download the GNU from. The documentation, you need to be really careful with it. It's not like Microsoft and Java documentation pages. They are so organized, so beautiful, give you the most updated. You don't get the same luxury when you deal with other libraries, especially the lesser known one. It just I use a deprecated version, and that deprecated version didn't support the thing without telling you this is deprecated in the documentation, and it was a mess. It was a mess. I wasted a lot of time, and I was already busy with the master other classes. It was sad. It was a good experience though. It taught me something that when you deal with these very good documented and very good established platforms and tools, and they are easy to use, easy to learn on. It's not the same with all the tools. You won't get the same treatment with all the tools. You need to be careful with them. So hopefully we hopefully we will get treated well when I do this, and when I select campaign. I hate you. I hate you. What's going on? Why it disappear? So let's close the initialized parts because we don't need them. It's not related to this, does it? No, this is related to the ones in the middle. Oops. This part will zero off the other combo box. For example, in the shared we have more than one, so it canceled the others, and I forgot to remove this part. And all my work is So I need this part only when I have all the... Be careful. You don't screw up everything. All right. What I was going to do? Yeah, testing this thing. Excuse me. What I was going to do? Yeah, testing this thing. Did I just repeat myself? It's not working yet? What the hell? Why? Why? So, what did I do wrong? Everything. What did I do wrong? Everything. Yeah, as you can see, as my dear friend Robert, unfortunately, I never asked him for his last name. Or maybe he told me the first day I met him in 2010 about his last name, and I completely forgot as usual. He says once, it seems your program style is similar to mine, where it's heavily based on try and error. Just keep trying, failing, and just no thinking at all. No thinking at all, just keep trying. Yeah, I miss you, Robert. It's been a while. It's been a while. I wonder if he graduated and got a good job in web design or something. Oh yeah, I need to go here. Tools. Please work so I can have a break. Thank you. So load group is fixed. So if we apply it like this, group ID for and apply. Oh. Why it's not working? Did I not code this one? Oh, maybe I didn't add the I didn't add it in here, didn't I? Yeah. Maps, group ID CP selected, index change. What? Oh, select index change. Alright. Sorry for all the noises. I'm just really not in the mood to code, but in the same time, that's why I'm streaming, forcing myself to work. And when I overdo this, I mean coding in this style for a week or so, I get so freaking tired and depressed and everything. But it's much better than doing no work, okay? Okay. So this is the trick. The trick is a stat trick. I mean, here I can easily craft my own tags, hopefully. So there you go. There you go. It worked. So look at that. It do my freaking work. And instead of go and check how that stupid thing works, the tag, it generated like this. It needs some work, but this work is way much easier than look at the hard-coded examples and activate maps, apply, tab. Oh, I didn't finish it. Shared, play sound. So here, audio and the only thing that's missing is to when I select it, it show me which tab is it. So it jump here. Oh, it's automatic. It do tag update automatically. Good, good. I love it. I love it. I love it. Even though the code, the hard-coded one doesn't deal with these two numbers yet. Too lazy. I need to fix it. So yeah, I need to add the rest. I need to add all of them. So this is a good time to take a break, I guess. I'm not going to leave the stream on like the old days. I'm just going to close the stream. So see you in 10 minutes.